How to respond to negative reviews. Responding allows you to minimize any negative impact the review may have. In fact, 51.7% of customers expect a response in 7 days or less. How to get started. 1. Apologize. Saying sorry shows that you care about your customers and that you're not too proud to own up to your mistakes. Even if it's not your fault, it's best to apologize anyway. 2. Explain. It was an uncommon instance. This reassures the customer as well as other potential customers reading the review that you hold yourself to high standards, that what happened was an uncommon instance. Whatever the reason for their complaints, make sure you provide a well thought out explanation of the problem and how you plan to fix it. Which brings us to our next step. 3. Promise a better experience. We'll do better. These words are phrased like a promise. Next time you come here, we promise you'll have a better experience. It's a great way of showing confidence in your ability to earn 5-star reviews and provide something worth raving about. 4. Ask them to return. Instead of slamming the door on critics, extend a hand. Invite them to come back because you want them to. Doing so creates an opportunity for you to change the conversation and for them to retract and revise their original review. 5. Sign your name and take it offline. Signing off with your real name instead of the name of your business humanizes your entire review response. It gives the customer the sense that he or she is communicating with a real person. The internet doesn't forget, and it's much less damaging to deal with unhappy customers in full public view than to let problems fester.